Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabot assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Lu-sho. So once you've cut out all the parts from the toy card, start by building his mask. So get the jaw part, put some glue on those little tabs that says jaw, and put it on the mask face, like this. So it completes the mouth. So congratulations for you all if you didn't miss out any of those little teeth and any of those spiky parts of the noses, because this one is a bit intricate with those parts. So next, add some glue on those little squares for the nose. So it says N1, N2, and N3. So it helps to put glue on those parts so that there's a little bit of drying time before all of these noses get in. So notice that the mask was folded right on the middle, giving it a nice V shape. So the noses are like that too. So they naturally fold in an angled direction instead of a flat mask, like so. So the top nose is the one that has swirls, the middle nose is the one that has lines, and the bottom nose is the one that has like rock drawings. So hold it on really well like this and make little adjustments, because Lu-sho's mask isn't a box like the other Foldabots and Lutabots. It can flex a little bit, so you need to adjust it while the glue is dry, while the glue is still wet. Okay, so next we're gonna put this connector tab right here and add some glue to this part while it's in a letter A shape. And make sure that when you glue this at the back of the head, right above the mouth like this, make sure the slits are pointing downward. There we go. And just like the front, this is also angled in a certain way so that it's the opposite of how the face is. Next, let's do his toxic waste body. So add some glue on those tabs, all the yellow parts right here. Just a little bit more. And then, there we go. We can now put the right parts on the right spaces. Now his main arms are the ones with the semicircle shaped tabs like this. You'll know that you put it the right way if it's kind of pointing upward when you glue it. Next would be the two tentacles that are in the lower part of his body. So they're just pointing out like this. And once it's a little bit dry, you can start giving it a nice curve so it looks like they're drippy and gooey. And then last part would be the stabilizers here on the bottom that form like a very drippy part of the entire slime body. And it also acts like front feet so that he doesn't fall over from the front. So let's test it out, and it works. And here we've got these slits that go to that back part so that it fits on his head. Let's take this guy for a spin. This is Lu-sho. Thank you for watching. Oh, and here's a bonus video. For those who've already built tambak from the toy book, you can put these two guys together by forming Lu-sho's bottom tentacles like this, and he can fit on the dump box, and make sure those upper tentacles fold to the side this way so that they can go on their villainous adventures. Enjoy!